Welcome back to Stitches and Tales with Rue. If you are new, I'm so happy that you are here and that you found my channel. If you don't mind, please smash on that subscribe button, hit on that like button, and let's get pulling around. So today we're going to be making an Easter bunny basket out of Dollar Tree items. First I have the bunny ears. I have some little hearts, glitter hearts, ribbon, blue Easter grass. I have these bunny feet, which I actually got these from Cricut Design Space. I just went into Design Space, searched for bunny feet. These were the first options that popped up for free. So I used these. I didn't change the size or anything on them. I have 2 of the fluted bowls, some candies and treats to go inside. I have 2 of these clear blue bowls. I have my Easter peep from Dollar Tree. And then I have my glue gun there heating up in the background. So let's get this project started. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut the bunny ears off of the headband. So I'm just going to take and snip around each of the bunny ears. And I'm going to cut this tag off the back. Okay, our bunny ears will be ready for when we need them. And I'm going to take my first bowl here. Already got some couple Easter grass in it from before. I'm just going to take a little bit of Easter grass and stick it in there. You don't need the whole bag, just a little bit. You can put as much in it as you want, but and then I'm going to move the grass and stick the peep in. So I've got the peep in, and then I'm going to take the Swedish fish and stick it in here. And the ring pop. And I got this Silly Scents Crayola Play-Doh. I'm going to stick it on this side. Go ahead and trim this up a little bit so it's a little bit cleaner. And I'm going to take a few of the candy pieces and just kind of place in there. I have a couple of Easter eggs. I'm going to put some candy inside of the Easter eggs. And place them in there. And again, you just throw it in any way that you wish. I'm going to try to make sure I got the grass tucked in as much as I can. I'm going to take my other bowl. I'm going to make sure that the sticker is off of it. I'm going to place it over top. And you do squish this peep down a little bit. It's actually a peep that I got from the Dollar Tree for only $3, so it's not a bad little price. And you can always pull out the ones that are hanging out if you don't want them hanging out. And I'm going to take tape and tape along the sides. actually put 4 pieces of tape on. I put 2 on the sides and then 1 on the front and 1 on the back. I'm using green heat tape, so it kind of blends in with the color of the bowl. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use our fluted bowl, and we're going to put hot glue right around the top of the fluted bowl and stick it on top of our bowl like that. So let's put some hot glue on here. And I'm just going to stick it right on top, like so. Okay. And I'm going to take a little bit more of the Instagrass, put the rest of that in there, and I'll fight with these stragglers. And I'm going to take and put some goodies inside of there. Put some candy in there. I'm actually making these for work to do as door prizes for the kids at our family day that we're having this year. And then I'm just going to take tape after I put that bowl on top and line it up where I want it. And I'm going to just tape it the same way I did the bottom, the front, the back, and the 2 sides. And 1 more piece over here. Okay. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bunny ears and I'm going to hot glue them. And just kind of stick it on top and hold it. You just have to hold it for a few seconds. It's a little flimsy. Let me go ahead and there we go. I'm going to add some hot glue to my other ear. I'm going to put some down inside here and then on top of the material. And we're going to just stick it on top. Okay, and there we have our bunny ears. And now we're going to take the ribbon and I'm going to wrap the ribbon around and just kind of glue it. So I'm going to put glue on this end. And I'm going to stick it up onto the plastic in the front. I'm going to use another glue stick to kind of push it down because the glue's kind of hot. And then I'm going to wrap it around. I'm going to trim it just a little bit. And then I'm going to put more glue on the end here. My puppies are playing in the background. And we have the ribbon partly on. I'm going to grab the other ribbon. Okay, for the bow, I'm just going to put the colored side of my bow down. And I'm going to kind of just guess. I'm going to make a fold and then make another fold. See if it's about even. Okay, I made that too big, so I'm going to go ahead and just cut the size down a little bit. Hold it. And then I'm going to twist so that my color will come up on the front side, and then twist again and have my color come up here. And you can use a twisty tie for this, but I'm just going to scrunch this together, and then I'm going to take a piece of my Easter grass and I'm just going to wrap it around. You could use string, you could use thread, you could use a pipe cleaner. Wrap it around like that. And you want it to end in the back, so if you may need to trim it down. And it doesn't have to look pretty because we're going to cover it. And I'm going to take a small piece of the tape and I'm just going to tape it down in the back. And I'm just going to trim that little piece off there. Okay, then I'm going to get my hot glue gun. I'm just going to put a dab of glue on here. And we're going to place it on our bunny. Be careful not to touch the hot glue. You may need to hold it for a couple of seconds. And it's okay if you see that overlapping. Like I said, we're going to stick a little heart on there, and it's going to cover up any imperfections you may see, including that little piece of string there. Put a little bit of hot glue on my thumb. Go ahead and just clip that down. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I've got my blue heart. I'm going to peel the backing off of it. It is self-adhesive. I am going to put a little bit of glue, hot glue on here though, just to make sure that it stays. And then I'm going to stick that in the center of my bow, like so. And then give that a few seconds to dry. While that's drying, I'm going to take my bunny feet and I'm going to glue the bunny feet on. So I'm going to put glue on the back. I just put it on the bottom part because the toes actually stick up where I place them. So I'm just going to kind of eyeball it and say, okay, I want that one there. I'm going to put hot glue on the second one. And I'm going to kind of eyeball it. Stick it there. And then you can fluff up the ribbon. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a cotton ball on the back for his little tail. So let me put some hot glue on here and I'll be right back. Okay, we have our bunnies. Again, I'm using these. I made them to give out as door prizes to the kids at our family day at work. Thank you for watching. If you liked my video, please make sure you hit that like button, smash on that subscribe button, and leave me a comment. And until next time, let's keep pulling around.